Jam, a delightful spread made by cooking fruits with sugar, is a staple in many households. It's a versatile food, available in various textures and flavors, and is less firm than jelly. The key ingredient? Sugar, typically from cane or beet, which not only sweetens the jam, but also helps preserve it by preventing the growth of yeast and mold. While jam and jelly start similarly, their paths diverge during production. Jam is cooked until it sets, while jelly undergoes additional steps, including straining through a jelly bag to achieve a clear, gelled consistency. This extra care ensures that jelly is free from cloudiness and has that signature quiver. Pectin, a natural carbohydrate found in fruits, is crucial for jam's thickening effect. Its levels vary, with high amounts in apples and citrus, which means these fruits don't need added pectin. As fruits ripen, their pectin content decreases, which is why less ripe fruits are often better for jam making. The jam manufacturing process begins with the careful selection and washing of fruits, followed by peeling and pulping. Sugar and pectin are then added to the fruit pulp and the mixture is boiled. A critical step is the sheet test, ensuring the jam sets correctly before it's filled into sterilized bottles. These bottles are then cooled, waxed, capped, and stored away from direct sunlight, with a shelf life of at least 12 months. Jam offers health benefits too. It's free from cholesterol and fat, unlike butter or cheese. Pectin, modified during the heating process, may help reduce cancer risks. Rich in sugar, jam is an energy-dense food, though those watching their weight or with diabetes should enjoy it in moderation. In conclusion, the market offers a plethora of jam varieties, each made from different fruits and boasting unique flavors and colors. The best quality jams are made from pure, undamaged fruits, with a manufacturing process that ensures the highest standards. Whether spread on toast or used as a dessert topping, jam remains a beloved treat worldwide.